Reasons why a car window won't go up. A car window that won't go up is annoying and inconvenient whether you're attempting to keep the snow, rain, or air conditioning inside. And to make matters worse, you won't be able to lock the car, and the inside may be exposed to bad weather. Just imagine what rain can do to all those gadgets. So, why is your window not going up? Number 1. Ignition switch setting. The first thing to check is the ignition switch if a window won't go down. Most cars are wired so that windows and other accessories, like the radio, won't work unless the vehicle is running or the ignition is turned to the accessory position. So, assuming the car isn't running, just check the ignition setting. If this doesn't help, keep watching. Number 2. Child safety switch engaged. Check the child safety switch when your car's window doesn't go up or down. This device, when engaged, prevents a passenger of any age, and pets, too, from accidentally raising or lowering a window. Look for this lockout switch as part of the driver's window control panel. The button is usually marked with a crossed-out window icon. It's easily engaged, so hopefully, this makes for a quick fix. Number 3. Blown fuse. If you're still having window troubles, then we'll move on to more complex diagnoses. This begins by looking for a blown fuse that prevents electricity from reaching a power window mechanism. Check if all or a pair of windows aren't working. If this is the case, it's probably a problem fuse. If you have found this video to be interesting, just a friendly reminder to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and let's continue with the video. Number 4. Defective power window switch. Think about how many times a power window switch gets used during a car's life. So, it's no surprise if a switch goes wrong at some point. One telltale sign of this problem is a window that will go down but not up. Another way to check is to turn on the headlights or cabin lights and engage the window switch. If the lights don't dim, then a bad switch is the probable cause. Replacing a window switch requires some technical skill, so a repair may be best handled at the service center. Number 5. Defective window motor. A bad window motor could also be causing trouble. Try to identify the problem by turning on the headlights or cabin lights. Yes, the same steps as number 4. Engage the window. If the lights dim but the window does not move, it is possible that power is reaching a faulty window motor. If this video was very informative, go hit the subscribe button right now and I'll see you in the next video.